Hello guys and welcome back.
Hi guys, welcome back.
This is the video you want to see.
Yes.
We have the beautiful Bladeless fan heater
Yes,
from Lidl.
we do.
If you remember, we had this
We had this little guy.
little guy. So today we testing and unboxing the new one, the big one.
The big brother.
So let's go to the unboxing
Let's go.
and we will say how this device works.
Yes.
And we're gonna show you a trick on this video.
Yeah.
So, quite a big box.
It is quite a big box.
I know it's massive, but there is an easy way to open it.
Yes, there is.
So you just open on these sides,
Yeah.
and oops, we went the wrong way.
What a surprise! It doesn't really matter, but there's no guidance of
Which way is the front?
Way is the front and the back. So honest mistake here.
I believe that is gonna look amazing, and best of all, because it's 2000 watts, and Lidl says that it's only 56p per hour.
Yeah.
I believe it's gonna make way better job heating up the room.
Yes, it will. Definitely will.
Let's go to the product and see how it is.
Yes.
So this is the small brother, which it serves us 1 year perfectly in the summer and in the winter. But we're gonna start with a trick. If you don't want to lose your remote control,
There is a trick for that.
there is a magnet on top. So even if you pack it on the side, which you can still use it in the summer.
And even if you accidentally push it, you can see the magnet is quite strong. It's not. Right.
Yeah. So this device is gonna work constantly if you put it on for 12 hours. After 12 hours, it's gonna switch off by itself.
Yes.
But I believe, let's power it on. We're gonna show you the temperature. 0.
It's 0. Yeah, it's quite cold today, to be honest.
So we're gonna start the device straight away. So when you start the device, it goes to the cooling.
We don't want that. We want.
So if you press
This one, the fire one.
the fire one, there is gonna start emit heat straight away. So you have 10 settings for the hot air. So we're gonna go Zoe up. So it's number 2. Now it started the heating. Go up. Go up. So this is it. So if you want to change your temperature, you can either press the button here on the
On the heater, right here.
Yeah, if you press it, it's gonna show 25. So let's put it to 30. And the other thing that we will show you is that we have adjustable turning, so swinging, if you want to say. So if you press the swing, it's gonna show you 30 degrees, and then 60 degrees, 90 degrees, 120 degrees, and 0. So you can set it on 30, I believe.
Oh, that feels so nice.
And the performance, guys, it's very good.
I'm telling you, it's emitting some heat at the moment. Oh, that's lovely. Oh, it turned. I think I'm just going to stop it my way.
Yeah. So we want to show you the light show because it's the same like the other one.
Yep.
So we have the light show on the bottom.
Oh.
So you can change the mood basically by changing colors, and if you put it on the last one, is changing colors, you know, like a rainbow basically.
Yes, it's just actually using all the colors.
And you can press this button here for the colors. If you want to make it dimmer for, you know, to sleep at night, and you can press the button and you see it goes darker or brighter. Don't ignore the weird fluctuation you see on the light.
It's the camera that is actually making it.
Yes.
Look, because it's a LED light, and the effect on the camera is what you see at the moment.
So, as we said, this is a 2 kilowatt device. If you press the M button on the remote, it goes to the echo. What the echo does is it sets the temperature. You will see here, you can't change the temperature anymore.
You can.
It sets the temperature. If the room is colder than 18 degrees, the fan goes in high speed, and then when it goes over 18 degrees, it's gonna go slower, and when it goes over that, it's gonna go even slower. Quite easy, I believe. All the settings, you can find them on the remote.
Or on the remote, or the actual panel.
On the actual panel. On the Echo, we measure it, and it burns 1900 watts on the Echo. And if you put it on the normal, it's 2 kilowatts, 220. Of course, when the elements get hot, they say that it's gonna balance the consumption, but we are still on 2 kilowatts. They say on the book that you might notice that one side is hot, one side is cold. It's not a problem with the device. It's changing the coils to make them cool down, so the integrity of the device, because they give 3 years warranty on this device.
It's a safety thing it will do, so it doesn't overheat too much basically, and
yes,
damage the device.
And of course you have this hidden thing, but because you might see this video in the summer, we're gonna show you the different modes that you have on the cold air function. So if you go to the fan, and if you press the M button, this is the power mode. So it goes very strong.
Yes, it does.
So you can cool down in the summer. If you press it one more time,
oh, sorry,
it goes to the S, which the S is like a natural breeze, so the device is gonna cycle to slow up and down like you have a window open. If you press it one more time, it's gonna go to natural, which means that it's gonna emit wind like you're relaxing in the summer and you have a breeze. You can hear it. It goes up and down, up and down.
Yes.
And if you press it one more time, it goes to normal, which there you set in the speed, and they say for the speed it goes quite fast. You can go up to 20, up to 20. Yeah. So this is the high speed.
Strong.
Yeah, but keep in mind, if you are so hot in the summer, you can put it on the power mode, which is faster than that.
Yeah.
So let's put it on the heat.
Yes, please, because
we don't want to get...
it's kind of cold, so we would like some heat and not some fresh air.
So let's compare the height on those two. it's
Look at this. It's the little baby.
And the big
The
brother.
big brother.
It goes up.
Up.
It's almost a meter tall.
I would think so, actually.
Yes. So, even that we put it on cold air, look at this, guys.
There is a difference in the temperature in minutes.
1 degree up.
Yeah.
And we're playing with a cool air.
Too, so you can imagine how much it warms up if you actually put it on warm air and just...
They say to keep this area, which is taking air from the bottom, to receive air, because it has to be supervised. The device, don't put small kids to operate the device, always be close to someone. If you have very thick carpets that we realize in a bad way, you might need to put something for the device.
Yes, because like we have a very fluffy carpet. This is not fluffy, a lot fluffy, but the one we put it on, it actually sank in, and you need these.
And of course, for safety reasons, because you might have kids at home, it has that beautiful function. You remember that Zoe is going to demonstrate now. If you tilt the device is going to turn off.
It fell.
So the device says...
It's actually off. It says E8.
E8, it says here. So that means the device dropped, and it's... Of course, it's not a good idea to have it like this, leave it like this.
Yes, well, we just...
But... yes, at least you have the protection. You see now it's cooling down because it recognized that it fall. So you have this protection, and the Lidl says just don't leave it with people that they can't get up from the bed if you have
somebody
old that he can't really walk. It's not the best idea to have the device unintended. I believe that's it. Go to Lidl and get this device. They brought it, and they brought it with a special price. I don't know why Zoe put it on the cooler.
Zoe did not put it on the cooler, did she?
And of course, let me show you the last setting. You see the temperature? You can put it up to 35 degrees. So it's gonna warm up the house very, very good. And it's like Zoe said, it's like the heat it emits, it's like a hairdryer.
It is.
But in a good way. Very hot air. So guys, this is the bigger model of this heater, fan heater, bladeless fan heater from Tronic. Amazing device. We went and bought it for you guys to see it. We checked the performance, and it's amazing. So hit that like button,
and do not forget to like and subscribe.
Share this video with your relatives or whoever you think it's important and useful. And if you like, put a comment or ask a question, and we will reply. See you guys.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.